Hi friends, welcome back to the Refrigerator. Today's special guest is Miss Stevens from Reno, Nevada.
Hi kids, I'm a guest on the Refrigerator. Today we're going to be reading Unicorn Day, written by Diana Murray, illustrated by Luke Flowers. Hooray, hooray, it's Unicorn Day! All unicorns this way. When unicorns come out to play, they have 3 rules they must obey. Unicorn Day rules. Rule number 1, show off your horn. Be proud to be a unicorn. Rule number 2, fluff up that hair. Make sure it's groomed and styled with flair. Rule number 3, have fun, fun, fun. This rule's the most important one. In the woods, where tall trees sway, they sing the song of Unicorn Day. Sunshine, flowers, fairy wings, today's a day for joyful things. Nay, 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 dance and play, happy, happy Unicorn Day. They kick their hooves, they jump and cheer, and sparkly butterflies flutter near. They slide on rainbows in the air and love to braid each other's hair. They point their horns up as they fly and cupcakes rain down from the sky. Then after they have had a bite, it's time to have a glitter fight. Uh-oh, that's no unicorn. That's a horse. He turns around to leave, of course. His horn's not real, it's just pretend. But they don't want to lose a friend. They tie the horn back on his head and give the horse a hug instead. But then it's back to fun, fun, fun. That rule's the most important one. They march together tall and proud, and soon says unicorns, proud to be a unique corn. Have you hugged a unicorn today? Free hugs. Yay for Unicorn Day. Some more friends join the crowd. You are a star. Today is a day for joyful things. Clip, clip, clop. They trot along as everybody sings the song. Cupcake sprinkles, cherry tarts, starlight twinkles, glowing hearts. Sunshine, flowers, fairy wings, today's a day for joyful things. Nay, 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 dance and play. Happy, happy Unicorn Day. All right, so now we're gonna draw a unicorn. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna start, and remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's why we have erasers. If you do make a mistake, you can easily erase and fix it and try again. So we're gonna start with the whole head of the unicorn. So starting at the bottom of our paper is where we're gonna start. And we're gonna start and go kind of up, and we're gonna go around and down, and then kind of make this like hook shape for the nose. Okay, so you have this line, curved line going up, down, and kind of a hooked line for the nose. Then we're going to give it that other side of its neck. We're going to just go ahead and do a straight line down, just like that. We're going to go ahead and give it a line across its nose, just like that. So this bottom part is its nose right here. And then we can give it 2 little slits for its nostrils. And then we can go ahead and give it a little bit of a smiley face. Because as we could see in the book, the unicorns are very happy. And we can go ahead and give it its eyes, 2 eyes. And we can add some eyelashes, so just some straight lines down. Now the lines for the eyes are just barely curved. And then maybe we could give it a little bit of an oval shape for its cheek. So the next thing we want to do is go ahead and give it ears. So up at the top, we're going to go ahead and it's just a curved line all the way around, and another one matching on the inside for the inside of the ear. And there's one ear. And then we can do the other ear. Kind of leave a space for the horn. We're going to go ahead and go up and back down. And the same thing for the inner part of the ear. Next we can draw the horn. So the horn is going to be taller than the ears, as we saw in the book. So I'm going to go up and back down. You can see my horn is quite a bit taller than the ears. And then we can give it some slanted lines for the horn. So we can slant down. Just like that. Now we want to give the unicorn some hair here in the front on its what we call forelock on a horse. So we can start and kind of just do some wavy lines across its forehead. So kind of down, curve the line, and I connected it over here. And I'm going to do one more and connect it. It's kind of like a stretched out S is what I'm making. It's almost like a stretched out S. And then the other side, we're going to come from this way and give it a little bit. These are more of a C shape. So the last thing we want to do is we want to give it its mane. So on this side of the horse, or the unicorn, we're going to give it its mane. So I'm going to kind of do almost like cone shapes, similar to cone shapes, or spikes, whatever you want to call them. And we're just going to keep going all the way down the unicorn so that it has a full mane. And then we can go ahead and give it a little bit more detail and add a line going in between, so that we're able to add more color to our unicorn when we go to color it. The last thing I'm going to add is maybe some hearts in the sky, or you can do flowers, whatever you would like to do. I might add some hearts around the unicorn. All right, so now you feel free to color your unicorn however you would like. All right, so now we're gonna do the background after you've colored your unicorn however you'd like. And if you want, you can use watercolor, you can do it however you want. I don't have any watercolor paints, so I'm just going to take a color pencil and kind of give it some color on the background. Feel free though to make it creative, make it how you want, maybe add something from the book, whatever you'd like to do. All right, and don't forget to write your name and the date as well. All right, and there you have it. There's a unicorn. Thank you so much for letting me be a guest on the Refrigerator. See you next time.